they feel it from you. It usually is like, then you're asking for them. I'll be like, it's okay, right? Like, you forgive me, right? That's not a repair. That's like using your child to try to do something we just have to do on our own or with other adults. But if I've repaired with myself, I'm going to show up in a different way. Might I have a feisty kid? I might. It's like, I don't care. It's not better. That's okay. I'm not repairing to get something from my child. I'm repairing to give an experience to them. So we can also get creative. Your kid is older, you text them, you slip a door under the note. You say, okay, I just have to say this one thing. To me, this line really matters to like snatch that self-blame out of a kid's body. It's just like, I'm sorry I yelled